tell you why I care. We talked this morning a little bit about how the way you look impacts how you are in the world. So what we wanted to do in this study is to say, wait a minute, does any of this that Dr. Ritvo talks about make any sense? So what we did was a perception study, and this was a very interesting study where we took faces of teens and we gave them smooth, clear skin, and then we digitally altered those photos and we gave them acne. And then we asked people, how do you perceive these teens? We surveyed 1,000 adults and 1,000 teens and showed them the same photo. And there's an example of what we did. Very cute girl, right? With acne, without acne, only change that we did. And we showed them to this group and we asked them to rate them on a variety of different qualities to look at how people perceive teens with acne. One thing we know as a psychiatrist is that first impressions count, and we wanted to see how much people's first impressions were going to be impacted by acne versus non-acne. So here's an example of some of our results. If you had to look at this boy, we asked people, what's the first thing that you notice about this person's face? So you can see with this one, a lot of people notice the shape of his mouth. And I could talk to you for a long time about that, but the reason for that is emotions are contagious. We have mirror neurons in our brain. When you look at a face, you're catching their emotions.